Susie, cover me! I'm going for that airdrop.
Roger that, Timmy.
I'm hit! Man down!
Yes, Carol, the kids are playing outside in a virtual war zone. The kids are now in a heated gunfight in the game.
I've got a squad on my tail.
I'm throwing a smoke grenade.
I'll get you! Timmy!
What on earth is going on here?
Oh no!
Mom! We're, playing a game outside.
Yeah, Mom. It's, super active.
Yep!
Oh, really? Outside, you say?
Yes, Mom. We're getting lots of fresh air.
And exercise, too. Well, AA, all right then. Have a fun and keep it up. Come on, let's win this.
I'll tag you, Timmy, in the game.
You all better not be looting the pantry like it's a virtual airdrop.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!